welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this Volkswagen Golf. This is the GT edition 1.4 petrol, finished in absolutely stunning sunset red metallic paint. You've got the really nice 17-inch Geneva alloys, no scuffs or scrapes. You've got power folding mirrors, so as I press unlock, the mirrors will unfold. You've got rear tinted windows. I'll open the boot and show you inside. So as you can see, you have got a good sized boot with this car. Has been really well looked after. On the inside you can see good amount of space in there. And you've got the chrome detail on the front bumper as well. So I'll start it up and I can show you some of the features on the inside. So there's just a close-up on the cloth on the seats. So this one's manual, so you've got your manual gears down here. As you can see, you've got your radio, DAB radio, you've got sat-nav system, is touch screen as well. Down here you've got your climate control and your gears. You have got driver mode selection and you've also got a rear view parking camera. So there's your sat-nav. If I click on driving mode, you can do normal, sport, eco or individual, just depends on how you want the car to feel. And if I pop it into reverse, you can see you've got front and rear parking sensors with a rear view camera as well, which is really handy, just to keep your new car nice and safe. Onto your multi-function steering wheel, you have got cruise control and speed limiter. And you can see it's covered 74,070 miles from new. You've got your automatic lights, heated and folding door mirrors, and then your electric window controls as well. Over here you've got your carbon fibre effect dash inserts too. So I hope you like it. If you've got any questions or you are interested in this car, please just give us a call. Thank you.